this video, I will show you how to mirror your Samsung phone to your PC using a simple built-in feature. Are you frustrated with constantly switching between your phone and computer for photos, calls, or notifications? What if I told you there's a free wireless way to connect them seamlessly, right out of the box? Stick around till the end in this video as I guide you through setting this up step by step. To get started, make sure you have a Windows 10 or 11 PC with the PhoneLink app installed. If not, download it free from the Microsoft Store. You'll also need a Samsung Galaxy phone with Link to Windows built in, a Microsoft account, and both devices on the same Wi-Fi network. First, on your PC, open the Start menu and search for PhoneLink. Then launch the app. Select Android as your device type and sign in with your Microsoft account. I am signed in, so I will proceed to pairing with the QR code to link my phone. Now on your Samsung phone, swipe down from the top to open the Quick Settings panel. Look for the Link to Windows icon. If it's not visible, swipe left to find it. Then tap it and select Sign In using the QR code on your PC. Next, point your phone's camera at the QR code on your PC. If scanned successfully, you will get a pop-up link. Tap on it. Then enter the verification code displayed on your PC to link your mobile device and Microsoft account. Once verified, you will also be prompted to verify your email. Type in the email address correctly. Then grab the code from your email inbox and enter on your phone correctly. Tap Continue. Then Accept. While on your PC, tap Continue, then Get Started. Once approved, your devices are linked and ready to go. Now, in the PhoneLink app on your PC, you'll see tabs for notifications, messages, calls, and photos. You can read and reply to texts using your computer's keyboard. Answer calls directly from your PC if Bluetooth is paired. View and drag your phone's recent photos or screenshots to your desktop. You can even mirror your phone's screen to check apps or social media right on your computer by clicking on Open Phone Screen, or use the keyboard combination Control plus P. This setup replaces older methods like Samsung e.t.c for PC, which is ending support on newer phones. It's wireless, secure, and lets you stay productive without cables. But that's not all. Notifications appear in real time on your PC, so you never miss an alert while working. For some Samsung models, you can run phone apps in separate windows on your PC for even more flexibility. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.